Oh, for me. U.S. Pencil Turkey somewhere in the Pacific. To Popeye, Seaman First Class. That's me. We are grunting.
Boy, oh boy! Now I can see Olive! And me little nephews, too!
I can't wait to see the little rascals in person.
I'm trying to tell you Popeye's coming home!
Ah! Home sweet home!
Oh, I wonder where my nephews is. It's awful quiet around here.
Hooray! Whoopee! We caught a spy! Maybe it's a Jap, or a Nazi. Maybe it's a parachuter. It's Uncle Popeye. Hello, Uncle Popeye. Gee, it's good to have you home. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! Did you shoot a lot of Japs? Did you shoot down any dive bombers?
Yes, kids, we're all doing our part out there. How about you?
We belong to the home defense, see?
First Aid Corps. Incendiary Squad. Camouflage Squad. Vote for who? Airway Warden. That's fine, kids. You're doing a very patriotic thing.
Stay right here, and we'll show you how home defense works.
Hey, take this rope off of me.
Okay, Uncle Popeye. Enemy plane above!
Enemy planes? Where? Where?
Uncle Popeye, you gotta be camouflaged.
Oh, I've been bombed. I'm separated from myself. That's me all over. Where's the rest of me? Where's me on the foot? I had two hands when I came here. Well, wow, I'm besides myself. I gotta pull myself together. Help! Help! Get me a doctor, somebody, quick!
Fine rest. I'm getting.
Hey, Uncle Popeye, you should always wear a gas mask during an air raid. Here you are, Uncle Popeye. This'll protect you. Emergency! Watch first aid! Hurry up with the splints! And that's how home defense works.
Home sweet home. Bleh!
Yeah, I'm going to take a rest.
But not here!